Once the bill of quantities is completed, before printing the various documents, you can also draft the financial table. To access the financial table page, simply select the General Data, then going to the Financial Table tab. Although the proposed financial table displayed is default, in fact this is just an example, you can just customize it to your own personal needs. To insert a row, just press the Insert key. To delete an entire row, press the Ctrl+Delete key combination. If you want to delete a field, simply press the Delete key. To expand the contents of a field into a larger editing field, just press the Ctrl+Enter key combination. If you want to copy text, use the Ctrl+C key combination. To paste the copy text or values, even from other programs such as Word, Excel, etc., you can use the Ctrl+V keyboard combination again. When all of the desired changes and modifications to the default financial table are completed, you can then fill in the rest of it very easily with all of the necessary information. From the Local menu, you can import amounts from the Bill of Quantities document. For example, lump sum works, measurement sum works, or the total amount. Other amounts can also be typed, such as health and safety or PC sums for undefined work. You can also insert separator lines or double lines and use row variables. These include the possibility to insert a total sum, for example, use the variable for sum from row number to row number. After completing this phase, it is very useful to indicate the rows that relate to health and safety costs and also the available funds. This simple operation will allow you, when creating a project document using the SuperWizard, to automatically import all of the financial data. To use the current setup for new documents as default, just click on the Save Default Configuration, which saves all customizations and automatically applies them to our newly created documents. This interesting feature is also present in all of the general data editors. The financial table view can also be printed by selecting the Print button in the program toolbar.